This is the revision of the Vistas from the book Vistas, The Enemy. Today I take the revision of the question or repeat, we can say, on today, 12th September, the repeat of the short questions with their answers that I repeat. As I have sent to you earlier, right, on 22nd July, but I repeat them, revision, we can say. Question 1, that short question answer should be given in 40 words each. First question, what do you learn about Sadau's father from the story The Enemy? Okay. Answer, Sadau's father was a visionary, serious and had a deep concern. सदाओ के पिताजी बहुत ही एक दूरदर्शी थे, दृष्टि थे और गंभीर, और उनके अंदर बहुत अधिक चिंता थी गहरी. नो वन कुड लिमिट देयर फ्यूचर एज इट डिपेंडेंट ऑन वॉट दे मेड इट. हिज सन्स मीन्स सदाओ एजुकेशन वॉज हिज चीफ कंसर्न. बहुत अधिक चीफ चिंता थी उनको. He sent his son to America at the age of 22 to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. He loved the Japanese race, customs, and manners. Now, question 2 short. How can you say that Sadau's head and hands worked in different directions? Answer, Sadau's head told him to put the man back into the sea as he was an American soldier, an enemy of Japan, his country. His trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could stanch the fearful bleeding. Stanch means to stop of the enemy. यानी कि किस प्रकार उसकी कंटिन्यूस ब्लीडिंग को रोका जाए. स्टेंच मीन्स रोकना एनिमी की. He packed means as a surgeon, he packed the wound with the sea moss that scattered the beach. The bleeding was stopped for the moment. Now question 3. What was the attitude of Sadao and Hana towards the white man means enemy, American soldier? Answer, they stared upon the inert figures of the white man with a that curious repulsion. यानी कि जो उत्सुक रिपल्सन, विरोध जो होता है खिलाफत, तो उसकी घूर कर देखते रहे एज एन एनिमी ऑफ अनदर कंट्री अमेरिका. बट टॉक्ड ऑफ पुटिंग हिम बैक इन टू द सी. बोथ्स, दोनों ही बात करते थे उसको वापस समुद्र में डालना. They hesitated. Chakchai. Sadao said that being American, the man was his enemy. He would have handed him over to the police if he had been whole, normal, but since he was wounded, he left the sentence incomplete, meaning that he could not do so. Question 4. What did Hana inform Sadao about the servants? How did Sadao react to it? The servants felt that they could not stay there if their master sheltered उसको पनाह दी the white man there anymore. They also accused of them of their taking liking Americans and of having forgotten to think of their own country first. Dr. Sadao protested that it was not true. Americans were their enemies, but he had been trained not to let a man die if he could help it. Hannah told him that the servants could not understand it. To be continue on the next page as on the another question 5 short. What plan did the old journal suggest for getting rid of the white man means enemy? Answer, General said that it would be the best if the white man could be quietly killed, not by the doctor, but by someone who did not know him. यानी जो उसको नहीं जानते उसके द्वारा मरवा दिया जाए. He offered to send two of his private assassins, means killers, murderers, on any night to his home. These capable assassins would make no noise. They knew the trick of the inward bleeding. Bleeding कैसे तरह किया जाता है अंदर की. They could ever remove the dead body of man. Sadao had to leave the outer partition of the room open. Now question 6, short one. Why do you think did the old general not want Dr. Sadao to be arrested? Answer. Dr. Sadao had told the old general that he could stand only one more attack as he had that day. Then he would have to be operated upon. The general wanted Sadao to operate upon him. He had no faith in the other surgeons trained by the Germans. So he would not let Dr. Sadao be arrested. क्योंकि डॉक्टर सदाव was considered the best surgeon in the vision of old general, so he had trust upon him, doctor. Next and last question, short seventh. What did the general tell Dr. Sadav about his promise to kill the prisoners for him? Answer. Dr. Sadav did not want to disturb the general much, so he simply said that the prisoner had escaped. The general at once remembered his promise. He confessed that he had been suffering a great deal. He thought of nothing but about himself. He forgot his promise, but it was not lack of patriotic or dereliction of duty. Thank you.